nice perch. Wow, that was just a small tap. A very small tap. And it's a good size too. It's a good size. Just make sure you're getting it. Look at that. I'm really surprised. Okay. Alright, throw you back. But you know what that means, don't you, boys and girls? Auntie Sharon's not going anywhere right now. Patience is a virtue. Yeah. There we go. Got our friend, this is a pumpkin seed, but it's also a cross between, I believe, a northern sunfish. But hey. Nope. Got it out. Really easy like. Put him back. Well, we haven't been stuck. Two now. Fish is a fish. I will take all of them. Let's go back here and see if there's anything else. Yes, there is. It's something else. This one's got a little bit of weight to him. Oh, get out of the slug. There he is. Covered in it. He went straight for the weeds. Went straight for the weeds. This guy. Another pumpkin seed. Don't know if he's going to be as lucky as his friend though. These guys always swallow it. Oh, there we go. There we go. There he is. Cute little guy. Throw him back. Not much is happening now. Well, alright, that's enough. That's enough. Well guys, wasn't a total loss. I'm surprised I actually got anything at all. Really interested to see how this battery's almost finished. So, I've been here for quite a while. Anyway, so, guys,